Welcome to Aram Dev Hub. If you're eager to improve your Rust skills and contribute to the open source community, this video is for you. Today, we are exploring the top 10 Rust open source projects where your contributions can make a real impact. Contributing to these projects helps you sharpen your Rust skills and connects you with other developers in the community. So, let's get started. First on our list is Servo, a high-performance browser engine developed by Mozilla. Servo is a fascinating project because it leverages Rust's memory safety guarantees to provide a secure and efficient browsing experience. It's a modular browser engine, meaning you can contribute to different parts such as layout, rendering, networking, and more. If you're interested in systems programming or web technologies, Servo is an ideal project. For beginners, the project offers a number of good first issues that help you ease into the codebase. These issues typically require a basic understanding of Rust and web technologies. As you grow more confident, you can start contributing to more complex areas like the rendering pipeline or parallelism in layout calculations. To get started, head over to Servo's GitHub page, where you'll find the contributing guide. This guide walks you through setting up the development environment, building the project, and submitting your first pull request. Servo's active community is another plus. There's always someone available to help if you get stuck. Next on our list is Actix Web, one of the most popular web frameworks in Rust. Actix Web stands out for its speed and efficiency, making it a go-to choice for building high-performance web applications. It uses the actor model, which provides a unique approach to concurrency, allowing developers to build scalable and resilient applications. Contributing to Actix Web can be incredibly rewarding. You could start by fixing bugs or improving documentation, areas that are always in need of attention. For those with more experience, there's the opportunity to work on new features or optimize the existing ones. For instance, you could contribute by improving middleware components, adding new routing features, or enhancing the framework's async support. Actix Web's GitHub repository is well organized, with labels that help you find issues suitable for beginners and more advanced tasks. The contribution guide explains how to set up the project locally and walks you through making a pull request. Additionally, Actix Web has an active community, so don't hesitate to ask questions in the discussion section if you need help. Third on our list is Ripgrep, a command-line search tool that's known for its speed. Written in Rust, Ripgrep is optimized to search through large codebases, making it a favorite among developers who need to find patterns quickly across many files. Contributing to Ripgrep can help you dive deep into performance optimization and file system interactions. For instance, you might work on improving search speed, reducing memory usage, or adding support for additional file formats. If you enjoy working on developer tools and care about performance, Ripgrep offers a rich set of challenges that will sharpen your Rust skills. To start contributing, check out the Ripgrep GitHub page. The project has a clear contributing guide that outlines how to set up your development environment and make contributions. Ripgrep's issues are often tagged with labels that indicate their difficulty, so whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find something that matches your skill level. Next up is Rocket, a web framework for Rust designed to make web development fast and secure. Rocket focuses on type safety and ease of use, allowing developers to build robust web applications with minimal boilerplate code. Rocket is an excellent project for contributors because it's actively maintained and continually evolving. If you're new to the framework, you could start by improving the documentation, helping others understand how to use Rocket effectively. For those with more experience, there are opportunities to contribute to core features like request handling, middleware, or even the templating system. Rocket's GitHub page is a good place to start. You'll find a comprehensive contribution guide that walks you through the process of setting up your environment and submitting pull requests. The community is friendly and responsive, so you can always get help if you encounter any issues. Next on our list is Tokei, a Rust-based code-based statistics tool that provides insights into the complexity of a project. Tokei can count lines of code, comments, and blanks, making it a useful tool for developers who need to understand or manage large projects. Contributing to Tokei is a great way to learn more about how code is structured across different programming languages. You could contribute by adding support for new languages, optimizing the code for better performance, or improving the accuracy of the existing statistics. To contribute, start by visiting the Tokei GitHub repository. The project's issues are well labeled, and there are plenty of good first issues for newcomers. The contribution guide will help you set up your environment and get started with your first contribution. If you're interested in game development, Bevy is a must-check project. Bevy is a refreshingly simple data-driven game engine built in Rust, designed to be easy to use and highly efficient. It offers a modern take on game development, with features like live reloading and a powerful ECS, Entity Component System, architecture. Contributing to Bevy can be a fantastic way to learn more about game development and systems programming. You could help by adding new features to the engine, fixing bugs, or improving the documentation. Whether you are an experienced game developer or just getting started, there are tasks suited to all skill levels. The Bevy GitHub repository is the place to start. The contribution guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to set up your development environment and begin contributing. The community is very active and supportive, making it a great project for collaborative development. Next, we have TiKV, an open-source distributed key-value database that's designed for high availability and strong consistency. TiKV is part of the larger TiDB ecosystem and is built to handle large-scale, mission-critical applications. Contributing to TiKV will give you valuable experience with distributed systems, consensus algorithms, and storage engines. Whether you are fixing bugs, optimizing performance, or adding new features, you'll be working on a project that's used by companies around the world in production environments. To get started, visit the TiKV GitHub page. The project has a detailed contribution guide that walks you through setting up your environment, running tests, and submitting pull requests. TiKV's community is very responsive, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. Another exciting project to contribute to is Deno, a modern runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript that's built on Rust. Deno was created by the original author of Node.js, and it aims to provide a more secure and developer-friendly environment. Deno includes a number of built-in tools like a linter, formatter, and test runner, making it a complete development environment out of the box. Contributing to Deno offers a unique opportunity to work on a runtime environment, focusing on areas like security, performance, or developer experience. You could help improve core modules, add new features, or even work on Deno's standard library. To get involved, check out the Deno GitHub repository. The project has a well-documented contribution guide that explains how to get started. Deno's community is very active, with regular discussions and a welcoming attitude toward new contributors. Next on our list is Xer, a modern replacement for the ls command, written in Rust. Xer offers a more intuitive and feature-rich experience for listing files and directories, with support for features like Git integration and colorized output. Contributing to Xer can be a great way to improve your understanding of command line tools and terminal applications. You might work on optimizing performance, adding new features, or improving compatibility with different systems. To start contributing, visit the Xer GitHub repository. The project has a contribution guide that walks you through setting up your environment and submitting your first pull request. The issues are well labeled, so you can easily find tasks that match your skill level. And finally, we have Rust Analyzer, a modular compiler front-end for Rust that provides a fast and flexible way to analyze Rust code. Rust Analyzer is used by many Rust-ides and editors to provide features like code completion, syntax highlighting, and error checking. Contributing to Rust Analyzer is a fantastic way to dive deep into the internals of the Rust language. You could help by improving the accuracy of the code analysis, optimizing performance, or adding new features like enhanced code completion or refactoring tools. To get started, check out the Rust Analyzer GitHub page. The contribution guide is detailed and will help you set up your development environment and understand the project's architecture. The community is very welcoming, with regular discussions and plenty of opportunities for new contributors. And there you have it, 10 fantastic Rust open source projects that are not only great to contribute to but also offer you a chance to grow as a Rust developer. Remember, contributing to open source is a two-way street. You get to improve your skills, and in return, you help build tools and libraries that others can use. So, pick a project that interests you, and start contributing today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aram Dev Hub for more Rust tutorials, tips, and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!